Hey everyone, Kaylee here. Today we're going to talk about some workout hairstyles that you can wear obviously to the gym while you're working out. Maybe you're already a fitness freak or maybe as part of your New Year resolutions. Either way, I find that hair can be some serious motivation if you're not feeling like working out. I like to put on a braid or put in a hairstyle that's going to make me feel that much more like yes while I'm working out. It can also be really great for those of you guys who are athletes and dancers and all that kind of stuff and you have to wear your hair up all the time and it gets boring wearing it the same way. I got you. So hopefully you guys enjoy these hairstyles. Let's get into it. I love a good braided workout hairstyle. For this, start by splitting your hair in half and Dutch braid each side. Fringe braids would also look great if you're better at that. Then secure with an elastic and pull apart each side. And that's it, easy peasy. This next one is great for thick and curly hair. Put your hair into a ponytail at whatever height you prefer. Then add in clear elastics every few inches and pull apart the space in between as much as you like. And that's it. I love to wear this one with a hat and I love that it helps to contain already floofy or frizzy hair. And back to the braids. Start by Dutch braiding a mohawk section of hair until you're just past the crown of your head. Then braid the rest of the hair normally and secure it with an elastic. Create a ponytail with all the hair over the ears. Then bring everything together into one more ponytail. And pull apart the space between the ponytails just a little bit for a little bit of a bubble. Now you can stop at this point or create bubbles on the ponytail by applying elastics every few inches and pulling apart the space between them. And there you go. This one's a little extra, but if you need that extra bit of oomph, it's gonna give it to you. I love working out in caps because it covers that second day I'm waiting until after I work out to wash my hair. A great style to wear with a cap are these fishtail pigtails. You can just braid each half of your hair all the way down and secure it with an elastic. Grab your cap of choice and voila, you're ready to go. And finally, a great hairstyle for caps, fun buns. You can make 2 low pigtails and then wrap them into buns and pin in place. You could also do this with messy buns if you wanted. And that's it, it's so easy and very cute. Also, I'm just realizing caps are probably great for controlling or covering bangs during workout, so extra points. And there you go, some new workout hairstyles to mix into your routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I feel like every time I post this, people are like, but I always just wear ponytails to the gym, which is totally fine. I do too. Just every now and then, I wanna mix it up. So I hope this helps you to do that. Tell me in the comments what's your go-to workout hairstyle, other than a ponytail. What do you love to do? And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hair tutorials for every day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.